rwa chinsemo chia Bomachoge ase kenyoro kia Oroche iyo gotoka ebunge ya Bomachoge borabwe kaunti ya Kisii ase amateyemo yabeire gosi yanyara kobekorera na koboria nyaka konekibwa obwene bwabo bagiga yo mwanchu abo uyo nyaka bagosiria buguma bwaye chitariki 12 omutinyo koberemo mwako eta ase chinsemo chia maili mbili ime yomochie obosongo na nyagusira Peter Olina nigegatebekana charetwe na abantu batamanyekanite na bono nige amataye gwikira bono iga ikurira ngatira nyora hobene bwaye gusobwene bwabo murikito Daniel Ntiri nigatwere roboti rwa senchira yobwikirano
na nsemo ya maili mbili nsemo y'obumenyo ase tauni ya Bosongo imeye kaunti ya Kisii ensemo ase gotebekana nyegusira Peter Olina asiriretio bugema bwaye mwana boda boda n'umurindi obutuko bube bwakoregete chitariki 12 cy'omutinyu 11 mu mwaka eta.
Alikuwa anafanya kazi ya potapota yeye mwenyewe mwenye nyumba akaenda akamwacha hapo, akasikia usiku watu wanataka kubomoa nyumba, akapika nduru, watu wakimbisa, wakasika mmoja wao huyu wakampika kidogo tu. Sasa wale chama asubuhi yake wakamwambia, wewe ndio ulifanya sisi tuitu wakapikwa. Fika asubuhi wakamwambia, hata sisi tutakufuata wewe. Mwisho alimtafuta 3 days, wakatuma watu wengine wakamwambia tusindikize na pikipiki. Kuwasindikiza kumfikisha hapo mali mbili, wakamtoka pikipiki wakamchukua huko juu, kalipo mwingine iko hapo juu wakamuua, wakampiga wakamuua by saa 2, wakamuleta karibu hapo na barabara.
Gwetania umutinyo yo mubono kurwa chingaki cyo gukwa kwa nyagusira na kwa enigwa senka yae ase kenyoro kioroche abo bisa babanyimbo bado tibarabika byara omukagirwa monene uyu kagire kubo masubati ubunanonye abana babere inse imyaka 13 ababwatire nabagenderete gutangwa asa maboko y'abanyanyimbo chinga kicho asenka yenyegusira ase bunge ya Bomachoge borabu imeye kaunti ya Kisii nigo bari nebirero n'amabolyo igoro yesababu irete batanya konyoro bene bomwana obo ese yabo bisa babanyimbo nabo bisa bobotuki bobosalie DCI abali n'obumanyi n'echinga kicho koligia na kubeka byara abonsi bakagire kubwateranigwa aso bwityobo.
Mimi naomba at least serikali ifuatilie maneno, haki ifanye nini, haki itendeke. Na mimi nijue kweli iko namna gani, kwa sababu nimeacha watoto wanasoma na mimi sina pesa ya kwenda kufanya nini, kusaidia watoto. Nataka haki yake itendeke, salie etumikiwe.
Nonye nabo nigegotebekana buna mukagirwo monene umusubati nigabere gakorekana gakwegokia ase omochio Bosongo bakoria na kunywa ase mibogani au chikinkego chaitire eng'ana ekobeka amabolyo igoro y'obokoreri bobobisa baiga babanyimbo.
Preliminary investigation, 2 suspects were arrested and both are juveniles aged 16 and 13 years, but we have prime suspects who were involved. One was a female adult where the offense was committed, and 3 other male suspects who disappeared after executing their act. According to our investigations, we are still moving forward to trace all the 4 suspects who are at large, and once they are arrested, they will be presented before court. For those who are arrested, then case was presented. They were presented before plea in a court of law at Kisii Law Court on 1st of December, and the mention of that case is on 27th of February, the year 2026. What I want to assure the public who may not be aware of what is happening is that we are taking that matter very serious, and however long it will take, our investigations are ongoing, and all attention has been paid to ensure that arrests are made for suspects who are still at large.
Nkuribotere gataseni kya gatembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii literane nguru kwa Daniel Untiri.